What it do, family? It's your boy Breeze Omega. That's Breeze. As you can see, I've been out here. I done shoveled all over the place. You can see it's a mess. Can y'all hear that? I want y'all to hear it. I guess this is the sleep part. Yeah, only a kid would find this shit fun. Can y'all hear it? So yeah, you see, look, if I hadn't been fighting this shit all night, it would be worse, y'all. It would be worse. If I hadn't been out here shoveling all night, it would be worse, y'all. You know what it is? Mopar or no car. But yo, family, it would have been worse. Y'all see how much that is? That is, yeah, that shit is, it's heavy out here, y'all. It is heavy, family. It's crazy out here. It would have been way worse, y'all, had I not done anything. Look, I just shoveled this shit. Look at it already, y'all. Can y'all hear that? Let me shut up. Snowstorm 2026, family.